So I am just going to be starting with priming my eyelids with concealer, like I always do. The first shade I'm going to be going into is this dark brown right down here. It's called ASAP. And I'm just going to be taking that on a small mini blending brush, and I'm just going to be packing that along on the outer corner of my eyelid and dragging it across the crease of my eyelid. And I'm just going to be using a fluffy blending brush to blend that out. Now I'm just going to be going back in with that brush I used to apply the darker shade, and I'm just going to be blending that darker shade up into the lighter shade so there's no harsh lines. So now I'm just going to be moving on to my lower lash line, and I am going to be using those same two shades. I'm going to be starting with that darkest shade, and I'm going to just be running that all along my lower lash line as close as I can get to my waterline. I'm just going to be blending that out with the light tan shade. I'm just going to be taking a fluffy blending brush with no product on it, and I am just going to be blending everything out further so there's no harsh lines. And I am going to be doing a cut crease, so I'm just going to be taking some concealer. Now I am going to be going in with this mint teal shade right here called Venom. I'm just going to be applying that onto my cut crease. Now I'm just going to be going back in with that dark brown, and I'm just going to be blending together where the shimmer and the brown meet so there's no harsh line.